The Forestry Technology program at UNH is a 2-year associate's degree program. Students learn a wide variety of skills related to ecology, sustainability, and applied forest management. The Forestry Technology program is accredited by the Society of American Foresters. It's a quick 2-year program. You'll be in a wide variety of classes. Our classes range from directly applied forest technology courses where you're in small classes with around 10 or fewer students to really large classes with folks from many different majors across the campus. Here today at the UNH Sawmill. The UNH Sawmill is an important component of our program. Students learn how to directionally fell and safely harvest trees in the woods, bring these trees to our facility here, and then harvest those and mill those logs into boards as part of their senior year. And so we kind of track the flow of wood from standing trees to the actual final product as a component of our program. You also get a wide range of classes related to general education. You'll take a writing course, a math course, and a whole host of social sciences courses as well. And so all this kind of fits in to the umbrella of ecological sustainability and sustainable forest management. Most of your work here at the school will be outside in the field with the applied hands-on activities. We're in the field doing plot work, identifying trees, harvesting trees, sawing trees into boards, looking at wildlife habitat. So for every hour or so that you're in lecture, you'll find yourself in the field, out in the woods in all type of weather conditions for 2, 3, 4 hours. We kind of pride ourselves on being a small program that's out in the field in the woods pretty much every day. Our program is part of the Natural Resources and the Environment Department, and within that department is Forest Technology and a 4-year forestry program. And so we have recently developed a 2-year 2+2 articulation agreement, or an agreement in which students can spend 2 years in the Forest Technology program, complete that degree, move into the 4-year forestry program and get 2 degrees, an associate's degree and a bachelor's degree in as little as 4 years. So with a forest technology degree, you have a wide range of career opportunities. Many of our graduates go immediately into the career field in forestry. There's a wide range of skills that you'll learn. Folks go to work for consulting foresters. They can work for state and federal forest services. They work as arborists, and so the opportunities for careers are quite extensive with a forest technology degree. And again, you can continue on to get further education. Most of our graduates, if they're looking for jobs, they find jobs within a short period of time after graduation. Thank you for your interest in the Forest Technology program, and I look forward to seeing you on campus. If you have any questions, feel free to get in touch with me. Thank you.